Presented by Massey Toyota.
Did you get all those pluses?
That's a good grade.
Plus.
It's when I was just at a school visit and I was also showing these numbers. I was trying to put it in perspective. I was like, okay, so it's like 108.73%. That's like really, really good, kids. So yeah, no, it is an A++. I like that a lot better. And I want to show you also the U.S. Drought Monitor was just released today, the latest update. So this is from last week, and if we just zoom ahead to this week, minor improvement, but areas farther to the north of us, no change here in San Diego as of today, our Groundhog's Day. Right now, we're seeing some high clouds streaming across the entire county, kind of blanketing the county, but they're so thin. A lot of that sunshine is still coming on through. Pretty bright still outside. It is cool though. Temperatures in the 60s. But if you're standing out in the sun, it feels quite nice. 63 in Escondido, also in El Cajon. A degree warmer in downtown. 63, 64. Pretty popular numbers on our maps this morning. So this is a storm system that's bringing more rain and snow to parts of California. That will usher in cooler temperatures as we head into the weekend. You can see all the rain and snow farther to the north. We're really on the tail end of this system. You may see a spit here or there anywhere from the mountains west. So that includes the coast and our valleys. So I would hold off on getting a car wash, because if we get anything tomorrow, it'll be just enough to ruin a car wash. We're talking about a few sprinkles, maybe a stray shower here or there. Most areas are just going to notice more clouds. We are going to see also bigger waves coming through our coastline this afternoon through Saturday, peaking tomorrow, in fact, when we could see sets up to 10 feet. Inland areas drier for the weekend, then we'll see another chance for showers coming through on Monday. Back into the 60s for highs tomorrow. The mountains will see breezy winds today and tomorrow, and there's that slight chance for showers tomorrow as well. Guys?